how to change TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. So if you don't want to wait for 30 days until you change your username, then what you have to do is you have to simply open up your phone settings, and after opening your settings, now you can go to the search bar and then search for time, and here you will have time on the second option. You can simply tap on that, and from here you can simply turn off your network provided time, and after turning that off you have to simply go to date option. Go and set your date for like more than 1 month. I'll be choosing September, and after choosing that you can simply tap on OK, which is on the bottom right corner, and after tapping that you can simply go back, and then you have to open up your TikTok application, and then after opening your TikTok, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to edit profile, and from here you have to choose your username, and then you can simply go back, and then from here you can simply remove your username, and then you can add a new username, and after adding that you can simply tap on save, which is on the upper right corner, and that's it. That's how you change your username before 30 days on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.